Good morrow, peasants. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna get a little confessional because before the world started to burn every single day for at least the past year, maybe the past 2 years, I bought a Starbucks or Dunkin coffee. And this is not a source of shame for me. It's my money and I'm okay with what I spend it on. At least that's what I tell myself as I cry over my bank statements. However, this is what I'm embarrassed about. This is a Ninja coffee bar. I'm pretty sure it was like north of $100. I've had this at least since I graduated college, which was 3 years ago, and I've never used it. Not once. So now that I can't leave the home, hashtag stay in place, hashtag sheltered, I'm gonna try to use it. And I have never, ever used a coffee machine before. So I have this coffee, because Penny runs on Dunkin. Hashtag unsponsored. Hashtag Dunkin, please sponsor me. And then all that I have left, directions-wise, for the machine itself is this tiny little piece of paper. It's gonna be fine! Okay, step one. I have to put the grounds in the filter. This is a permanent filter. Getting ahead of myself. Calm the fuck down. I actually found this on the side of the machine. It seems like kind of designed for someone like me who doesn't know what they're doing, which I really appreciate. 5 stars, Ninja. So I think I want to do 2 scoops for just a little cup. Oh, let's open this. Oh my! Does that look dirty? What is that? Oh well, sure, it's fine. Here it is. It looks like a little pot of soil, honestly. And now, based on the sparse directions that I have, I do know that I need water. Let's go. I don't know how much yet. That's coming. Here's where I put the water in theory. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh! Okay, so they have marked on the machine where I need to pour the water. So they have made this almost nearly idiot-proof. So it's happening. Come on, little buddy. It's not enough. I did not get enough. Back to the sink. Get a little more. There are no mistakes. All right, so just a little bit more water. I just need a little bit more. Unrehearsed, unstudied. Okay, so just to be frank, I don't know what cup to use. I've chosen this one because, like, it's kind of tall. So we're going to see how it goes. I'm not feeling very confident, but we are going to do it over ice. So we're just going to put a little bit of ice. We're getting close to the moment of truth. Okay. Wait, how do I... Is it on? Update! It was not on. But now it is. Oh, and look at it glow. So I'm going to do the over ice. Why is it beeping? Ah, it's bubbling! Oh my god. I'm stressed! Do you hear that? Something's dripping. It's dripping. Ew. I don't like the look of it. Is that the color it's supposed to be? Look at her go! That is surprisingly normal looking. I am so prematurely proud of myself. I don't know when it's over. The noises it's making are very surprising and upsetting after weeks and weeks of quiet. Is it hot? Yes. It is. Everything's going really well. I just can't decide if it's over. I don't really know what a cup is. Oh, I think it's done! So, it's still very hot. All of the ice melted, which is what happens when something is hot. So that didn't really surprise me. I guess I'm going to add my sweet creamer. Well, that's a lot, but I don't have any more coffee, so why is it so hot? Okay, so this is what it looks like. But I guess we give it a try. Gosh, it just seems... Now it's lukewarm. Ooh, I spoke too soon. More ice? I'm going to reluctantly give it a whirl. The temperature is not giving me a lot of confidence, but I'm going to be proud of what I made, because I made it. I pressed the buttons that brought us here. Cheers. Ew. No, no. I don't like it. I don't like it. And I don't know enough about what I just did to tell you why or improve my process for tomorrow. But I'm not going to give up. So 0 stars for